Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I want to show you how I prepare my pap. This is my condo. Watch out for my previous video how we prepare this condo. Is on my YouTube channel, so we want to use this to prepare our pap. I'm boiling this water for it, so we want to use this to prepare this our pap. So I want to put the pap inside the condo. So beautiful people, that is how we prepare our pap. Watch how we prepare our condo. Is on my YouTube channel. How we prepare it. This is nice. You can add milk to it if you have milk. For it, take it with puff or akara. Thank you for watching. Here we have our momo here. So we are done with this cocoa. Thank you very much for watching. Watch how we prepare our momo. Is on my YouTube channel. This is plantain momo. take it with pap. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you when we'll be eating our pap and moi moi. Bye bye. Mwah.